Okay, we're up in the attic and was able to figure out where the dryer vent is buried underneath this. I got to get rid of all the snow so that I can actually disconnect this. There was a bird nest in here. Oh, there's a little bit of water leakage coming through this because the lint is, or not lint, it's the blown insulation is wet a little bit right around this. So that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna take this off. I'm just gonna disconnect this and then we'll see what we got going on in here. Man, I need my knife. Oh yeah, this thing's wet. It's been dumping freaking moist water or air into the pipe for so long that it just turns saturated. And there it is. And we are still stuck. Okay, we're stuck in the straightaway here. I think it's right in the elbow that it's stuck. Oh, here we are. This is the
good stuff?
The good stuff right here.
Wow.
So, I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully I can pull it out right. I just needed both hands. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, yeah. You see this thing? Hold on. This thing was jam-packed. Couldn't get it to budge. I'm just gonna pull it apart so that I can. This is probably not even the I mean, the worst of it's probably yet to come. Oh, there's